my world changed in the best way.
Hindi iyak. Uri na magdidikuan ba? Ish.
You brought warmth to my days, laughter to the quiet moment,
Wali iyak.
and the love of
Bakit ka na
everything I do. One of the things I treasure most is how you enjoy meals I cook. Every dish I prepare becomes more than just food. It becomes a way to show my love. Your smile when you
Patay.
Your smile when you take the first bite make it worth it. I vow to keep making you meals, seasoned with care, to feel our home comfort, flavor, and whole lot of love.
Ko iyak.